What is up, YouTube? Do you need to build an email list? Well, of course you need to build an email list. Anybody who wants to make money online needs to build an email list. Trouble is, how do you do it? Well, I gotta tell you, I'm kind of embarrassed to admit that I knew about the methods in email Blast-O-Matic and hadn't used them until now, but I'm gonna tell you all about it. It's coming right up. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. Now, why, you may ask, is that? Well, it's because I wear a fedora everywhere I go. It's just what I do. And I am one of the few people who can pull one successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, feel free to go ahead and skip ahead. I know that my jokes can be as stale as the donuts on a police officer's desk, and with the police things going on right now, well, they need their donuts. Anyway, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products to make money online niche. And why is that, you may ask? Well, it's because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Okay, look, I admit I was a little bit skeptical at first until I actually looked. This is good stuff, though, so pay attention, okay? Really. The guy says the same thing every day. Really, really annoying guy. Can't get rid of him either. Says it all the time. Anyway, sorry, the way things work here. If I do like a product, I will give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Why, thank you, Liz. See, we just started watching Liz Lemon during the lockdowns. It's over now, but we're still finishing up watching 30 Rock, and I love Liz. She's a sweetheart, even though she does the same thing every day. Anyway, if you are new, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Make sure you select all because, well, subscribe doesn't mean anything on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. We're on the sales page for my buddy Jeremy Kennedy's email Blast-O-Matic. Jeremy's one of the nicest guys in the industry, by the way. Really like him a lot. Just on a personal level, I found him to be very, very down to earth and very easy to work with. But here's what's really interesting. So Jeremy has put together this thing, and the funny thing is that I feel really embarrassed because I knew about this particular method and had heard from some people it doesn't work anymore. It worked like 15 years ago, doesn't work anymore. And so I never even tried to use it. Well, Jeremy said, what the hell? Why don't I try it? Boy, oh boy. You know what? You tried it and it works. It works really, really well, actually, this particular method. So I'm going to be starting to jump into this as well because we all need to expand our list. And if you don't have a list, this is one of the easiest methods for building a list. And basically, you want to build a list because, you know, the old saying, the money is in the list. Yes, we're all about the money here. And I'm going to show you the money. Anyway, but seriously, basically, it's a very simple method. He's going to show you how it works. There are 2 upgrades available for this, and I'm going to tell you both of them are worth it, but what's really going to make this worth it for you is my own personal bonus. So basically, when you build a list, there's a couple of things that you need to do in order to build a list. First of all, you need a squeeze page. What's a squeeze page? A squeeze page is one of those pages that says, are you looking to finally break free and build a life of freedom, something like that. Okay, and it has an email opt-in. All right, what you want to do is to have your own squeeze page. Now, that seems kind of complicated to do. You may have to go and spend a fortune using ClickFunnels, for example. I know how much expensive ClickFunnels is. I just signed up for a trial of it in order to test my new software. Super expensive stuff, okay? Fortunately, I'm going to show you how to do it for free. Yeah, I'm all about doing things for free. If I don't have to spend money, I don't like to spend money. That's just the way I am. You know, call me cheap, you know, whatever, but I like to get things for free if I can get them for free. And by the way, Jeremy's method is going to also teach you how to get these things for free. So it's really, really cool stuff. But anyway, so I'm going to give you ready-made squeeze pages that you can install completely for free. Okay, you don't even need to pay for hosting if you don't want to. All right, they work inside of WordPress, and you can use WordPress.com and get 100% free, zero-cost hosting for these squeeze pages. They'll work perfectly. They'll convert. They'll get you a list. You'll start having people that you can actually sell to. And when you see cool offers, you can actually go ahead and promote them to these people and make some money off of them. That's the name of the game, basically. All right. In addition to that, the other thing you're going to need is a gift to give them, because basically, in order to entice people to get onto your list, you're going to need to give them something that's worthwhile. I'm going to give you 5 different e-courses that you can give away 100% for free, that you can basically give away as a free gift in order to build your list. Basically, it's something that people will get automatically. They just sign up for your list, and basically you'll set it up in your email system, in your autoresponder system. You're going to set it up basically where it's going to say, thank you for signing up. Here's your free gift. Okay, it's going to email to them automatically. All right, that's number 2. Number 3, once you actually have a list, what are you going to say to them? I know a lot of people get very, very flustered at the idea of having to actually make an email. So I'm going to give you 31 days of emails. You can edit them if you like, or use them as they are. They're really good emails that will help you to build wealth. I've used them personally to make money, by the way. Okay, I've put these in on an autoresponder on a list building service that I used a while back, tested them out. They work. I've made money from these things. If I can make money from these things, you can make money from these things. And I'm nobody special. All you got to do is implement it. Put them into your autoresponder. Start using them. I'm even going to give you a list of ClickBank offers that you can use to get started with these things. All these ClickBank offers will work with any of these emails because they're pretty generic, deliberately generic, in order to make sure that you can actually make some real money from those emails. Okay, so now if you pick up both of the upgrades, there's only 2. So it's not like one of these things where you got like one upgrade, another upgrade. It's only 2 upgrades. Very, very simple funnel, because Jeremy is known for that kind of thing. If you pick up the 2 upgrades that he's going to give you, I'm going to give you something super special. You're either going to get an option to purchase my Boost opt-in software. This is my award-winning software, which is designed to get you better quality emails. And yes, you can use Boost opt-in with this particular method. It'll work perfectly with this. Pick up both of them. You can get Boost opt-in. If you already have Boost opt-in, you can get the OTO1, which is basically a whole bunch of different things that are going to help you to really build your list out. And if you already have Boost opt-in and OTO1, or you don't want OTO1 for whatever reason, or you don't want Boost opt-in for whatever reason, I'm going to give you the option to pick up my Insta BioLink software with the unlimited package. Now, this is something very special. I've given away Insta BioLink on one other promotion already. Everybody who got it loved Insta BioLink. But the difference was that over there, I was giving away my bonus level, which gives you a limited number of links, a limited number of bios. With the unlimited package, you get to do unlimited stuff. You can use it for anything, as many Instagram accounts you like, as many TikTok accounts you like, as many Quora accounts you like. Whatever you want to use it for, you can use it for. You get an unlimited package on my Insta BioLink software. So that's really, really cool. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at the members area real quick. There's not a whole lot to see here, to be perfectly honest. All right, this is the members area. You're going to see here that there's a video where Jeremy's going to explain the method that he's using for Insta BioLink, for email Blast-O-Matic. He has another hidden traffic hack here that I actually quite like this quite a lot. You can see here there's only upgrade 1 and 2. And down here there is an offer for my very own Boost opt-in software. So if you only pick up the front end, you'd like to get Boost opt-in yourself, but you don't want to pick up the 2 upgrades, you can get Boost opt-in using the coupon code from Jeremy that he's got set up for you here, and you'll be able to get my Boost opt-in software. And by the way, Boost opt-in won deal of the day, and Email Blast-O-Matic also won deal of the day. So very, very cool stuff. All right, and it's a very simple members area here. There's not a whole lot to see. So let's go see if I can give it to my head product creator or not.
You rock!
Yes, indeed, Jeremy, you do rock. This is awesome. Okay, and I admit, I feel kind of embarrassed. I didn't think to at least try this method. The fact that you tried it, got it to work, started making money from it, that's awesome. And I'm going to start using this also because this really does make extra money. And why not? Everybody needs to build a list. The bigger your list, the more money you make. Go ahead and grab this. It's $11. You're going to love it.